Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 19th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to talk to you about the simple system powering my monthly residual income in this video. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And I really have a passion for helping others supplement or replace their income using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I did a video a few days ago about a simple system that you could have set up in under 5 minutes. And that's what this video is about. All right. I'm just going to continue on talking about this system because I've seen so many people be helped by this system just since I did my last video. Okay. I've had people opting in to check this out, and you know, it's just an incredible system. And the cool thing about this is that it takes away all the techie stuff. You don't have to worry about setting up autoresponders or anything like that. You know, it's a simple system that literally takes less than 5 minutes to set up. And 3 minutes of that is watching a video. 4 minutes of it's watching a video. Okay? So once you have this system in place, you get a link and you just drive traffic over to your link. And once you get 2 referrals, you're in profit. And we show you how to get 2 referrals. Okay? And with 24 referrals, you can replace a full-time income. And I say full-time income for the average person in this country. Okay? 24 referrals. But before I go on, I can't guarantee that you'll make anything because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But there are people that are joining this system, like myself, who are taking action and showing up every day and putting in the work and treating it like a real business and getting results. And you can do the same thing. Okay? And the thing that I love about this is it doesn't matter if you're in other opportunities or not, or if you're looking just to start your first home-based business. Right? This is a complete business in a box by itself. And then you can use the tools and the training inside to grow your other businesses. And that's what I'm doing. So it's perfect because it's building up my monthly residual income, and then I'm using the tools and the training, which are out of this world. I'm not just saying this. These are top-notch tools, out of this world. This new system is backed by a company that's 10 years old. All right, super transparent owners. We have live morning calls every single morning, Monday through Friday. We have training calls every day throughout the week. We have mastermind calls. There's everything in this. So I'm using it to build my monthly residual income. Then I'm using the trainings and the tools to build my other incomes. And then what I'm doing is when somebody joins me in another opportunity, I'm sending them back to this program so they get the same tools and trainings and they can duplicate what I'm doing. So it just pairs well with everything. And it doesn't matter, you know, you can use the tools and training inside this for other things outside of make money from home. It can work with any type of business. So it's top notch in my book. And, you know, like I said, there's no tech overwhelm. So people, whether you're a brand newbie or somebody who has been in the marketing world for a while, anybody can do this. It's that simple. You know, you don't even need to, I mean, like I said, you watch a 4-minute video, you get your link, you send people to your link, which we show you how to do. You get 2 referrals, you're in profit. And then you do the same, you know, you just continue getting people over to your, the turnkey system capture page, and everything else is done for you. So it's great. I mean, when you join me, you get my resource page. All right, I'll send you an email, welcome email. It has my resource page on it. It has over 80 different places you can share your turnkey system link on. Okay, over 80 different places. And your job is just to get people into the system. And the way they have this set up is it's really neat. Okay. Go to workwithruss.com, workwithruss.com. Check it out. All right. Enter your name and email. Go through the whole system. See how it works. see how the follow-up emails work, okay, and tell me that it's not genius. And if it's not for you, you just unsubscribe. You'll never hear from us again, okay? But it only takes 24 referrals, which will show you how to get if you're willing to put in the work. Again, I can't guarantee you anything. It's dependent on your work ethic. But if you're willing to put in the work and show up every day and do a few simple things to drive traffic over to your turnkey system, you can make this work for you. Okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And then again, I'll put the link down below. It's workwithruss.com. Go and check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. And I hope to see you on the inside. This is a top-notch program, folks. This can, you know, give people, you know, less than 80, what is it? 80 people, 84 people referrals, and you're looking at over $10,000 in monthly residual income. Right now, that might sound like a lot, but if you follow what I do, using my resource page, you can get there too. If you want to, you know, I create content on YouTube and Facebook, and I send out letters in using direct mail. All right. Last year, I referred 143 people into my business opportunities by doing these 3 things. Okay. So you just got to put in the work and show up. But anybody can do this. That's what it's designed for. So that's it for this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.